In this video, you're going to master Canva in less than 15 minutes. I'm going to walk you through the basic and some cool tips and tricks so that you can start designing right away. Let's start by creating a new project, and you can do that by clicking on the video icon right here. Let's go ahead and click on that now. Depending on what you have on your mind, you can choose what you want, whether it's a YouTube video, Shorts, an Instagram Reel, or a TikTok video. For me, I'll choose a landscape YouTube video. And now we have created a new project. This is the main interface of Canva, so let's take a moment to get familiar with everything that we are looking at here. Starting from the left hand side at the top, we have the templates. This is where you'll find all kinds of video templates to choose from. In the search bar here, you can describe your ideal design if you feel you want something different. Going to the second one, we have Elements. This is where you can browse for photos, videos, frames, shapes, and graphics. And you've got tables and audios and grids. Now, what if you want to add a square onto your canvas? All you need to do is just click the square under shapes, or you can click see all to see more shapes. So, I'll insert it right away. And from here, you can increase its size or change its color. Changing a color is as simple as making sure that it's selected. Now, for this case, we can choose black or blue. We can also go to color wheel and choose whatever color we want. That's another way. You can also search for specific elements. Let's say we want an arrow, and we can search for that. And here is a range of arrows under graphics. We have colored ones. Note that some element can also be changed in terms of color. So let's insert this one. And right here, if you do see the option to change a color, then you can do so. So we can change it to red for instance and put it right there. Now, under text, there are some pre-made text that you can choose from right here, or you can simply add heading or subheading. Now, what if you want to upload your files onto your canvas? This is where you can upload your files, but here is a quick way to do so without having to head to the upload page and click upload files. Let's say you've got an image on your desktop or folder. All you need to do is drag and drop it to your canvas anywhere you want, and then right there it's inserted. So that way you can work efficiently and quickly. What if I tell you that there's Canva's range of keyword shortcuts that you can take advantage of? Now, if you want to insert a text, all you need to do is press T on your keyboard, rectangle R, line L, circle C. Now, going back to our canvas, let's say we want to add text quickly. Press T. There we go. We've got some text. Let's add a line. There we go. We've got a line. And let's press C on our keyboard. Now we've got a circle. Now, have you heard that Canva has frames? If you head to Elements and scroll down, you'll see frames. You'll see basic shapes, film and photo frames, flowers, blob, letters and number frames, among others. Alright, I'm gonna choose one of the basic shapes. Let's choose a triangle here. Let's place it here, and I'll go ahead and upload it. Then drag and drop this image straight into the frame. And now, you see that it's shaped according to the frame shape I selected. What if you want to add a custom design? Now let's head back a little. I want to show you how to make a custom size design. All you need to do is head to your home page, click on Create, and scroll down to Custom Size. If you know the exact dimensions, enter the width and height in pixels, inches, millimeters, or centimeters. Pixel is the most common, but let's say we want to create a 1000 by 1000 pixel design. Create a new design, click that, and this is what you get from Canva. Then they display a list of templates and design like this. Now, what if you want to share and save your design? Sharing and saving your design is really simple. If you look at the top right corner, you can see share, and you are given a number of options. You can either share it via a custom link, and only those who granted access can view your design. Down at the bottom, there's a useful option called template link. This allows you to share a template link so those who have it can create a copy of a template without affecting your primary master copy. And this might be useful if you're thinking of selling Canva designs. We also have an option to share a design via public view link. So you can simply have Canva host your design, or if you want to go a little more conventional by downloading your video project, click download. Here, you'll see a number of options depending on the design that you have created. So in this case, we've got a video. They are suggesting an MP4 video. Other options include JPEG, PNG, SVG, and GIFs. And also down at the bottom, you've got select pages. You can specify the number of pages that you want to export. What other tool does Canva have? Well, there are other tools. So you've got the ability to draw, squiggle, and doodle on a page. You've also got app integrations. You can see a range of apps. You can also insert charts. And of course, you can use Canva's Magic AI by clicking here. Other than that, if you're looking to level up your design, you may want to consider Canva Pro. It's not only going to give you a range of extra tools, but you're also going to get more asset and more choice of elements and design, as you can see with the little crown icons. So, if you don't want to be limited to just the free ones, the ones that most people use, then you may want to use the Canva Pro templates. And that's how you can quickly and easily get started with Canva. If you find this video helpful, by all means, give this video a thumbs up.